B means number of elements in B is 2. What is the cross product number of elements in A cross B? Yes, 2 into 3. So what? 6. Okay, have you understand? So enough. 6. Have you got this note now? Next, one progress check is there. You can write it as in your home. Okay, for your homework. Easy. Using the definitions only you can use. And third question, geometrically describe the set of points. No, geometrically means you can first you can find A cross B and then that plotted in graph sheet. Okay, what will you have to see? Check. And this activity also same. So this also for your homework. A, B. These are all in what form? These are all in set builder form. So you can find, you can change that into roster form. After that, you can find A cross B and B cross A and plotted in graph sheet. You analyze what is the difference between these two graphs. Okay. You give activity, complete the activity and send to me. Okay. Next, ma'am, distributive property. What is the distributive property? You already learned distributive property, no? Distributive property of union, set union and intersection. You already learned in 9th standard. This one is very simple. Okay, two properties are distributive over union and distributive over intersection. Easy to write. A cross B union C equal to A cross B union A cross C. The same A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. That is in set, you can change the sign, isn't it? Union change into intersection. But in this cross product, that remains same. Union means you can write union, intersection, intersection. That's all. And a Cartesian product of 3 sets also given. You already saw the 2 sets. No, 3 sets means you can write all the possible ordered sets, because you can write ordered pair means you write 2 numbers. Ordered triplets means you can write 3 numbers. So in general, A cross B cross C equal to set of all A comma B ordered triplets A comma B comma C. For all, A is an element of A, B is an element of B, and C is an element of C. Have you got it? Got it? Next, geometrical representation. First, ordered pair. No. So Cartesian product of 2 sets means you have this type of 2D shapes, and Cartesian product of 3 sets means you can have 3D shapes. So that only different for 2 sets and 3 sets. That's all. All the sums like that only. Now, exercise. Have you understand it now? You can recall from definitions. You can easily understand it. Okay. Today itself, you can learn everything that is in your mind. So exercise, explain first exercise. First question. Find A cross B, A cross A, and B cross A. You can find these 3 sets. So, first subdivision, 2 sets are there. What are the sets? A and B. How many elements in A? 3 elements. How many elements in B? 2 elements. So, you can find A cross B. First set what? A. So, you can write A as first. And the second, B. So, write B as second. So, you can find the possible ordered pairs. What are the ordered pairs, possible ordered pairs, ma'am? So you can use first element of A connected with the 2 elements in B. So 2, 1, 2, minus 4. First element, next second element of A is connected with 2 elements in B. So minus 2, 1, minus 2, 4. Same way, third element is in A connected with these 2 So 3 comma 1, 3 comma minus 4. Have you got it? Now A cross A. Okay. A cross A itself in their cross product. So both numbers are the same. Again, you can write the order pair. How will you check this order answer is correct? Do you know the number of elements in A? How many elements in A? 3. Again, the elements in A is 3. What is the elements of A cross A? You already learned in one note, no? So you can multiply the number of elements in A and A. So what is 3 into 3? 9. So their answer, their cross product number of elements is 9 elements. Suppose the 9 element is not there, means you can use anything, you can check it. Okay, actually. Now B cross A. So B cross A means what? First B as first and say A set as a second set. So you can write first B set, next second set, A set. Sorry. Now the first B cross A means the first element in B only, the second element in A. So first element 1. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 3. Minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma 3. We understand that. That's this is A cross B, B cross A. And next subdivision, um, A equal to B. A equal to B. So both of them are equal. That is given in second subdivision. So the equal means A and B are equal. So you can P comma Q into P cross P comma Q. So the answer also same. Both the answers A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. All the answers are same. The two sets A and B are equal means A cross B equal to B cross A. If that condition only they are equal. Otherwise, it is not equal. Okay. And third one, A equal to M comma N and B equal to A means what? Empty set. What empty set means? There is no element in B. So A having 2 elements, B having no element. Then how many elements in A cross B? So 0 into 2, 0 only, no. So they are empty sets. In note already we saw A cross B. A cross B is an empty set means any one of the set is empty. Here one set is empty. Therefore A cross B also empty only. Okay, have you understand? And B cross A also empty because B is empty, no. So any one of the set empty means the product also empty. And A cross A, will you find A cross A? So M comma N, same number of elements. So same elements, you can write the order pair of all possible order pairs. That's all. Have you understand these A cross B, ma? Now, let A equal to next second sum. A and B is given. A is in roster form and B is in set builder form. So you can change it into roster form. What is that? X such that X is a prime number less than 10. What is prime number? Do you know prime number? What is the definition for that? The prime number, a number is divisible by number and its one and itself. Okay, Amma? So, ஒன்னாலையும் the same number ஆலையும் divide ஆகிறது தான் எனது prime number. So, what are the prime numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are all prime numbers less than 10. Few of them told one also a prime number. That is wrong. One is neither prime nor composite. Okay, Amma? So 2 and 2 is the only even number is a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we got the sets A and B. Now easily you can find A cross B and B cross A. Isn't it? So A cross B equals to, now substitute the values and find the ordered pair. How many elements in A? 3 elements. How many elements in B? 4 elements. How many elements in A cross B? 3 into 4, 12 elements. Okay, have you understand? You can easily write all the ordered pairs. And because A also you can write. Because A means come in B and the second element in A. So you can order pair. Okay, ma'am? Order the pair. Now, third question. B cross A equal to, before there's two sums, you can find A and B is given. You can find their product. Now, their product is given. You can find the A and B. What is B cross A? Set of all ordered plus 2 minus 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma 4 given. What is B? B is B comes in first. So what is the first element in the ordered pair? That also in B. And second set is A. So second element in A. Okay, have you got it? So the first, what is B? Minus 2, 0, 3, or the set of all first elements in the ordered pair. So minus 2, 0, 3. No, don't repeat the terms. Write it as one time only. So B equal to minus 2, 0, 3. And A is the second element of all ordered pairs, isn't it? So yeah, second element, for what are the second elements in ordered pair? 3, 4. Only two elements. So A is 3, 4. Have you understand it? Suppose in the sum, instead of B cross A cross B given means first element is in A, second element is in B. But in the sum, B cross A is given. So first element is in B and second element is in A only. Have you got it, ma'am? Have you understand this? Okay, next, fourth sum. If you are practicing in your home, okay, ma, until then you don't know about that. So after this class, you learn everything top to fully. Fourth question: if A equal to 5, 6, B equal to 4, 5, 6, and C, these sets are given. You can show that A cross B equals to B cross B intersection C cross C. Okay, ma? You can prove that. So how will you prove that? First, you can find the left hand side. Next, you can find the right hand side. Okay. Left hand side, what is given? A cross A. So first you can find A cross A. After that, right hand side you find. Next, you check both of them are equal or not. So given, first you can write given A cross A. A cross A means A and A itself in cross. So first sum in first sum, ordered the pairs. So 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. So left hand side over. So you can take it as a first equation. Next, B plus B. Find B plus B. What is B? 4, 5, 6. So you can find 4, 5, 6. Okay. Write in ordered pair. So for first element in first element, second, third. So these all come. Have you know C cross C? You know, no. Now, after found B cross B and C cross C, we find their intersection. So B cross B intersection C cross C. What is meant by intersection, ma? How will you find the intersection?